You deal with, well, people who are different than you. You deal with people who have, per your mindset, bad habits. You deal with people who you just, well, once upon a time, they were part of your life. Whether they're friends or they were friends, whether they were acquaintances, whether they are family, you just outgrew them, and that is okay. And yet, a lot of people seem to have a problem with that, especially those who you outgrew, those who you refuse to go and be around them, or you don't even have to refuse, you just don't. They were part of your life once, they help you grow, not anymore. And yet, they're still trying to push you the same way that you were before. But again, you outgrew them. Let's say, for example, you have family members, and I'm going to touch on family because family, no matter what, they will always be part of your life. No matter what. Whether you talk to them or not, you cannot eliminate that family bond. So, just going to talk about that. And from there, you can go through friends, acquaintances, and the rest of them. But let's say that you had a cousin that you used to get along well when you were younger. As you were growing up, you found different things. You developed your own habits. Um, your cousin did the same. Maybe that cousin took on drinking. You don't like drinking. Now your cousin calls you like a sissy because you don't drink. That is a very toxic relationship. That can be said about parents too. Some parents may have different way of doing things. Some parents may be very toxic in nature, meaning that they want to control you and how do you do things and whatnot. And the thing is that even if you don't live under their roof, they may want to keep on doing it. Well, guess what? You outgrow them. And it is okay to just cut ties. Now, some folks have issues with that. Some folks have real big issues with that because they grow up thinking that no matter what, a parent will do no wrong. They grow up that family is family no matter what. Even if there are toxic people, whether they are, fake as hell, whether they are narcissists, and there is a lot of narcissism out there, especially within family. If you really want to see how bad it is, think every time that you have a conversation with those folks, think they ask you how you doing, and they give you maybe 3 to 5 minutes to talk about yourself, and the rest of the conversation that it may be 30 minutes, the rest of the conversation, the next 25 minutes is about them. That is narcissism. They only care about them, not you. There is no way possible to have a good relationship with people like that. Just no way. They don't bring anything good into your life. Therefore, yes, they were a part of you growing up, but you outgrew them. You're not longer that child. You're not longer that teenager. You're not longer that adult. You're not longer the person that you were yesterday. So when you outgrew people, don't feel bad. That is part of being a human being. That is part of growing. That means that you're changing, you're evolving, hopefully for the better. Hopefully. Now, again, folks have a huge problem with that because they think that no matter how bad parents are or how bad family are, they are who they are. What is the saying? Blood is thicker than water. Well, guess what? We can always agree to disagree. Because if you have a family member who is bad, that family member is not going to change. It's going to be bad. If you have somebody who is a narcissist, who only care about themselves, that person is not going to change. The only thing that it will change is you. You either become like them or you move away. So you either outgrow them or you become one of them, because that's how it is. Now, the problem with all of that is that no matter what, if you decide to stay there, those folks will never, never want you to be as good as they are or better than they are. Be close, but never be as good as I am or better than me. Again, it's a mindset. They have this mindset of, I have to compete against you no matter what. Have you not seen that before? Let me give you a very good example. How many times you have gone to visit? Now let's bring it to friends. I don't want to pick too much on family because I don't want anybody to get upset. I'm telling you things that they are truthful, and I hope that you comment in the comment section below and share with the community, because you know that what I'm saying is truthful. But let's say a friend, a very close friend. You had known this individual for 10 years. That is a good friendship right there. 10 years, right? At least a long friendship. But that person only comes around when that person needs something. That person only calls you when they want to talk about themselves. They only call you when they have a problem. When there is time to share things together, again, they only give you a little bit of time and then it's about themselves. Again, that narcissistic mindset kicks in. So you go and visit, and I'm just going to give you a plain example. You go visit and you both have the same vehicle, exactly the same vehicle. And you can have a conversation about the vehicle, and I guarantee you that no matter what, your vehicle, which both are the same, your vehicle is inferior to their vehicle. And they were both bought the same day, same everything, same cost, same everything. And yet yours is inferior. They will put you down so they can be above you. So you tell me whether or not that is a good friendship. No. You need to realize that you outgrow those people already. You don't need them in your life. You learn from the time that you spent together, and now it's just time to move on. Their thinking is not longer yours. Their mindset, their comfort zone is not yours. They only providing fake support. They're not bringing anything good to you. In fact, all their promises are nothing but fake promises. So the best way to do is just keep moving forward and understand that you will outgrow people. And if they have a problem, that is a they problem, not a you problem. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I hope to see you in the next one.